Hi and welcome to Kim and Niall's Arts. In this video we are making an Etsy order. We are mixing lime green mica powder from craft resin with glow in the dark mica powder. We have various listings on Etsy which glow in the dark. Our Etsy shop is called Kim and Niall's Arts, or you can find us if you search Kim and Niall. We are now starting to include voiceovers in our videos, so you will hear my voice more in the future. We have had requests from companies to talk in our videos, so we're now experimenting with voiceovers. To activate glow-in-the-dark powders, the way we recommend to get the best result is to put them under strong light. So either a black light or a UV light will charge up the powders. Sunshine, we've put them outside and then they glow instantly when you bring them in. The glow is effective when you charge it up. If you would like to see how much powder we use, we have shown this in previous videos. This is a combination of two powders. This is lime and glow in the dark mixed together. You only need a small amount. Each time you add a small amount, it will change the colour. We are using shiny silicone moulds to get a shiny result. Matte silicone moulds will give you a matte result as resin replicates the surface it is put into. Here we are using the UV lights that you use to cure UV resin. They usually come in like UV resin kits, or you can buy them separately. They're actually similar setup to like nail lamps. You know, the nail lamps where you cure the gels with UV. They're the same type lamps as those, and they work very well with charging up glow-in-the-dark powders. The resin we are using is a 1:1 ratio epoxy resin which takes 24 hours to cure, which means you can remove the piece out of the mould the next day after 24 hours. The reason why we choose to mix two powders together is because we like the effect of the lime shimmery mica powder in the day, and then we like the effect of the glow in the dark at night. If your resin after curing does feel slightly sharp at the edges, you can sand the edges down with sandpaper, or a Dremel or any sort of sanding device you have.